Hello, welcome back to another video all about affiliate marketing. Today I'm going to be covering what affiliate marketing is, can you actually earn from affiliate marketing, the best ways to earn from affiliate marketing, and a special affiliate scheme which can earn you £50 over and over. And this is actually something that I've come up with a business I'm currently working with. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is go to a business and they will say to you, "Hey, Marty, I need to generate leads for my dentist business. Can you help?" You say, "Yeah, of course. How much are you willing to pay me per lead?" They say £10 per lead. You say, "Okay, great." So you go away and you create a landing page and you drive traffic to it. And every single time someone submits their information through your form, you pass it on to that business, the dentist business, and you earn that £10 just like that. Now, there's lots of different methods. You can get paid to collect emails for competitions, for general games and stuff like that. You can get paid to get people to fill out surveys. You can get paid to get people to call up a website. It's really endless how many ways you can actually get paid, and the different ways of doing it. Some are email marketing, people's offers. Some are creating super niche SEO blogs. Some are creating YouTube videos like this now. So there's lots of different ways to do affiliate marketing, but one of the biggest questions online is, can you earn from affiliate marketing? When people think of affiliate marketing, they think of passive income, and yeah, it can generate a passive income as long as you choose the right sort of offers to promote to people. You can earn really good money from affiliate marketing, but most people are actually doing it wrong because they don't treat it like a business. They treat it like a get rich quick scheme, and actually that's not it at all, because you've got to put in a lot of groundwork to start making any money whatsoever. It's kind of, you put in some work now on an affiliate offer, and maybe a few months down the line you'll start earning from it, depending on the method that you choose. Often the biggest mistake where people go is just not choosing the right product, not choosing the right service. They often go for really competitive niches. They go for really competitive offers that every other big boy marketer is actually generating leads for. And one of the most common methods of people generating leads for affiliate marketing is in fact paid advertising. So you're going to burn through your money extremely fast. Let's move on to the next topic, which is the best way to earn from affiliate marketing. So like I was saying before, you've got to choose the right product in a not very competitive niche. The final topic of this is actually a affiliate project I've been working with a business. I don't earn from it, but it's going to give you the ability to earn £50 over and over and over as long as you generate the conversions for them. So that's a nice little bonus. But let's go back to the best way to earn from affiliate marketing. It's choosing products that allow you to earn a ongoing commission. So an example would be ClickFunnels. If you were advertising ClickFunnels, which is basically an all-in-one solution to building a website and sales funnels and stuff like that, then they actually pay you a monthly commission on every sign up forever. So if you get someone to sign up for £100 a month plan, they will pay you £50 a month until they leave. So you can very quickly build up a very, very substantial income just by building up monthly retainer affiliate offers. Another great way of actually earning from affiliate marketing is choosing high ticket items, high ticket services, ones where you actually earn a substantial amount of money. So let's just say minimum wage is maybe £250 to £300 a month. So realistically, if you found an offer that's going to pay you £50 per conversion, let's say, then realistically you need 4 to 5 conversions a week to make minimum wage, and then anything after that is just you're very happy. And of course, depending on how you do it, so for example, if you want to create a middle page, then what you'll do, you would get your offer, you would then get the middle page, which will be your page that you've built, where you collect people's email addresses, and then once you've collected their email address, you then start sending them emails and getting them to go over to the offer page of the person that's paying you to generate these leads. And this is ultimately what this final scheme is, this final affiliate offer that I'm about to present to you now. So what I'm going to do, let me minimize my camera and we're going to head over to the page so you can see what it's actually about. So what you can see, this is the official affiliate page for this company, and instantly they really are promoting earn 50% commission on our services. You can earn 50% commission on any of our services we have listed below. Make sure you download our marketing kit to maximize your conversions and increase your earnings with us. So there's been a marketing kit that's been developed for you, so you can just focus on getting your tech side of things ready, so your email systems or what's not, and you can quickly copy and paste all this information in and you can start sending things out. We scroll down. High potential affiliate. We understand that our affiliates need to make a living. This is why we offer 50% commission for every conversion you send our way. So this isn't 50%. You won't earn on a lead. You will earn if that lead purchases online. The service will earn you £50 for every conversion. The service we would like to market is company secretarial services. So this is quite a niche area, and it's something that you can really take advantage of really fast, because there's not many affiliate marketers actually promoting this sort of thing currently. And to market something quite niche, it should be fairly easy to get some conversions for this, and you could be earning a nice substantial income per week or per month. On the right, we have created a marketing kit to help you get started. The marketing kit includes email swipes and high converting banners. So if you do forum marketing or SEO or anything like that, you can place banners into your blog posts and get the click-throughs like that. Or if you plan on doing email marketing, you can, all the emails are there. I believe there's 7 emails ready for you to start sending people to. You can also find our landing page here, and we'll go to that in a second. Please register your affiliate account here to track all your traffic and conversions to get your trackable affiliate link. You will receive your commission on the 1st of every month. So they're telling you on the 1st of every month, you will receive however much you earn. On the right, you can see as an affiliate, you'll have access to an affiliate portal, which is always nice, a marketing kit, trackable links, statistics, and resources. So that's actually everything you want. Trackable links, so you can create your own URLs and you can see how many people have actually clicked on your links or converted and everything on those lines. So that's always nice. Accepted countries. So this is only in the UK. And of course an anti-spam policy. Let's head over to what the actual landing page looks like. Okay, so we're on the landing page. It's a nice clean design. We've got, my camera's just duplicated here, some odd. Okay, our camera is now off. So let's see, we've got company secretarial services, your online self-checkout service at your fingertips. Click the button to register your business at our office in the heart of Manchester, which is nice. I'm going to click on more information and we can see why users, what's included. We scroll down, we've got some testimonial videos, some of the information. You've got a nice sticky bar to quickly get you everywhere. And we keep scrolling, and then what's the cost, and it says here with some testimonials, and of course you've got checkout right here. And if you click on that, it will take them to the checkout page, and if they purchase a service, then you will automatically in your affiliate area get that £50 commission that you so rightfully deserve. So yeah, this is a really, really nice little niche offer that not many affiliates are doing. This is a fairly new sort of venture for this firm. It's something I've recommended for them, and they seem eager to get it going. So we've developed all of this. 50% of the actual fee is really nice because it brings you in £50, and all you've got to do is generate 45 conversions per week to be earning a nice little income. If you are good at paid advertising, this should be a piece of cake for you. And I know this firm also have plans of creating your very own referral network down the line, which means that you'll be able to earn off other affiliate marketers that you've recruited onto this platform. So that will be a very nice touch if you've already got a network. So yeah, if you've got any questions about this at all, leave a comment in the description below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you with any help or queries you may have. And yeah, good luck, and I'll see you later.